Shall we begin the show?
Let's do it.
Let's start off with our segment that we start the show off with, which is called
Maybe try
Try
this at home.
There are a few caveats with that, of course.
You gotta
You
be
only
over
try this
9.
at home if you have the necessary materials. You got to be old enough.
Yeah,
You know,
and just doing it the right way.
yeah.
No funny business.
No funny business. Tom, what are we doing today?
We're doing a little chemistry, and we're causing some flowers to change color by a chemical reaction,
That's right.
I believe.
So we'll do science safely. We'll put on our gloves and goggles.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my goodness, Tom. Blue gloves in this kit. Last time they
Dentist
give us
gloves,
clear
right?
gloves, and now we get the blue ones. As always, I give you the larges. I take the smalls.
They don't smell like your classic gloves.
No?
No. I appreciate it.
Okay. They've been out of the box for a while. Maybe that's why.
Ooh, could be.
Look how tight these motherfuckers are. Ugh. All right. That's Uno.
Okay. Did you give me the large ones again, or?
Yeah.
Oh.
I always give you the large ones because I'm a courteous gentleman.
I was gonna say mine fit great. Yeah. All right. So while he does that, I'll get started. No.
So this week, Tom. Yeah, these are
No,
mad
yeah.
tight. This week we are doing a sulfur dioxide experiment.
So this is coming out of the same set as the hedgehog experiment, right?
Yes, the Mel chemistry sets. Yeah, these are really cool. They work better than the Kiwi Co. Set that we did last week.
Yeah, that
So,
was a little bit of a tough one.
a little bit of a return to form for us. And our goal is to
Show that there's a chemical change or reaction taking place via the color change in the flowers.
yeah.
Right.
So these are not real flowers, but they are going to undergo some sort of change when we.
I used to always have this problem where my goggles would fog up in chemistry lab because
Yeah.
I have a hot face.
It's because you're a hot man.
I know.
Yeah.
I just get all worked up.
All
From
right.
science. Oh yeah. No, but I actually used to always have the issue, and I would take them off, and then your TA yells at you.
Uh-huh.
Put those glasses back on.
Yeah.
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 We're
Yeah.
good though.
All right. So what kind of fake flowers do you think these are? Carnation?
Fake carnations. Yeah, there you go.
Tulips?
I would go with a fake carnation.
Okay.
All right.
All right. So I'm going to hold them like this on my teeth, and you're going to do the whole experiment.
Just like that.
Yeah, no. What do
right.
we have to do first, Tom?
Let's do it.
We have to add a little...
We're starting with what they call the thymol blue.
What is that exactly?
I think the full name is called bromin thymol blue, and it's just a specific type of blue that is a good color to distinguish a change in a chemical reaction when it changes color.
Okay.
So it's like an indicator,
Cool.
kind of
So, and it changes based on...
the change in chemistry.
So like an acidity basis sort of
Yeah,
thing?
something like that, yeah.
Okay.
As the reaction changes, yeah, it'll go from either a basic to an acid or something like that.
Okay. So we're going to start off, we're going to dye these suckers blue here.
So I gotta dip this all over. huh?
Yeah, yep.
Okay. Do we need a paper towel for this? Or we should
Not
be
if
good?
we're very careful.
Very careful.
If we spill it, we have these absorbers that they give us. Also, we can make Kyle run to the store because we've been out of paper towels in our house
Oh.
for like 2 weeks.
Oh no.
That's okay.
Okay. So I'm just getting the thymol blue all
we're just
over the
bluing 'em up.
flowers.
You know? You ever hear that song?
What song? That song.
That one, yeah.
If I was
nice.
blue. Oh, Kyle knew.
Yeah, Kyle knew.
classic.
Blue, daboo dee, daboo die.
I think it's if I was green, I would die.
Is
Nah,
it?
That's not the lyrics.
See, that was a rumor
That was a rumor.
for a long time.
Fake news.
If I was green, I would die.
Yeah, but that's not true. Okay. How are we looking?
Looking pretty good,
See
yeah.
a white spot, but then we're good.
Okay, so now that we've got the blue flowers, right?
Mhm.
Roses are red, violets are blue.
So now they're violets.
We're gonna now do some chemistry, and we're gonna hopefully change these blue guys into red guys.
Let's do it.
By the magic of chemistry. So, what we need to do, Tom, is we need to add some...
What are we starting with?
First of all, we're going to start with disodium disulfate. And we're going to add just one little teaspoon of that into our Erlenmeyer flask here. So I'm gonna ask you to do that.
Okay. So we got disodium disulfate. So that's Na2S2O5. A little bit of sodium, a little bit of sulfur, a little bit of oxygen. Okay.
Okay.
Oh!
All right, wait. Fill that back up.
A little bit more. We just got some disodium disulfate.
That's
on
all
the
right.
floor.
It's just burning a hole in the wood floor. No problem.
Yo, we got Seasonal Joker in the chat.
Seasonal
What's up?
Joker, what's going on? Welcome.
Just one or two of
I think
these
just
guys?
one of those
just
guys.
one,
but
and then
let's,
a little more?
Yeah, a little bit more.
Okay.
That's fine.
All right.
All right. Next, we're gonna add
Two.
some citric acid.
Like
Citric
2
acid.
spoonfuls?
Yeah, 2 teaspoonfuls. Citric acid is basically almost like a preservative, Tom. It's a natural acid found in citrus fruits,
Okay.
like oranges or tangerines or lemons or limes.
They all
things
have
of this
citric
nature.
acid. I forgot
Yeah.
we need to.
And this is going to now cause a reaction that's going to produce a gas.
Cool.
So
And we're gonna see evidence of the reaction of the gas through the flowers, right?
now here's the thing, right? Gas is being produced. It's colorless, odorless gas.
So you
I don't know
don't
if it's
even
odorless. Actually, I've never sniffed it.
I don't
But
think you should sniff it.
probably
I think it
not.
does have an odor. Though,
yeah. So, so we can't really see it happening. But what we do know is that heat will make
The
this
reaction
reaction
go.
happen faster. So we're gonna put this on our little makeshift Bunsen burner. Here,
Nice.
Tom. I'm gonna light the candle.
So the heat will be our mini catalyst. Your gloves on fire.
Wow, my
I got
gloves
you.
on fire. Thank you.
You're welcome. Slick right here, real
Very
quick.
slick. This is why you don't wear gloves, ladies and gentlemen.
While you work with fire. We're done with the chemistry, so now we can take more.
All right, so now we got our Bunsen burner, our wood stove. We're gonna place this guy on top. And Tom, we're gonna now
Put our flowers
put
in.
our blue flowers here. What do you think's gonna happen?
So when you use something like thymol blue, you're looking for a change in color to indicate that a chemical reaction is taking place. So we were talking about this before. Ooh, saved you there.
Yeah.
So we were talking about this before. When you use Nash Money says hey and then fire. I like the fire symbol. So when you're doing a chemical reaction in the laboratory and you want to know how far along the reaction is or when it takes place, you use some sort of color indicator like the blue, and then as we can see it's already taking place. You get evidence of the chemical reaction by the change in color that's taking place.
Changing right before our eyes.
Yeah, literally right before your eyes.
Now we're going from violets, Tom, to roses.
To roses.
Yeah.
Yep.
So we're going into this kind of deep dark red. The reaction, they say in the booklet, should take about 3 minutes or so.
To complete.
Yeah, to get the conversion all the way from blue to red on the thymol blue there. And yeah, we're starting to see pretty deep red happening.
And that's all from the vapor that's being created from the solution that we mix, the
Yeah.
citric acid and the disodium.
Absolutely, yeah.
Very cool.
So we'll let that go for another minute or so. Now, the interesting thing here, Tom, the curious part is that once we've gotten all of our indicator completely converted to that red color,
Yes.
once we stop the reaction, in fact, we are going to lose some of that red color. Isn't that right?
And then it's going to revert back
Yeah.
to just the regular color.
Not to blue, right? But to...
Back to the white.
no,
not
not
quite.
even quite back to a white, but more of like kind of like
An
a
orange.
yellowish orange color. I happen to have. Voila!
Oh, from the last experiment.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
So this was the finished product. So it started from the violet, then it goes to the red as the reaction's taking place, and then it will fade out and then become this orange.
That's correct.
Okay.
Spring has sprung, Tom. Spring is in the air.
Chemically, yes.
Not really, because it's like
Well, there's
still
vapor in the air.
30 goddamn degrees
True, yeah.
outside. But
Thought you meant in our experiment.
in our experiment, yes. So this is a great experiment if you have a girlfriend and you want to impress the lady with these nice color changing flowers.
Or a 10-year-old child interested in science.
Yeah, one or the
One
other.
or the other.
Exactly.
No, but yeah, this one's pretty cool. It's
Yeah.
easy, happens quickly, and it gets the point across. It's
Yeah.
pretty cool.
Definitely awesome. So what do you think? I think we're
Just about there on that
Yeah.
side.
middle of our one flower is not really doing so hot. But that's okay. Yeah, there she glows.
Say it's KMK. I said it's kind of tough to see the colors of the flowers on the stream.
Oh, okay. Can we do a kind of a close up? Can I do a comparison, you think?
Oh, of the flowers?
Yeah. What if I did this?
Careful, John. Don't let yourself on fire
I'm
again.
trying not to.
See you a little bit.
The fumes from the gas just literally went into my eyeball.
That's not good.
Yeah,
You okay?
definitely not good. But
We're all right.
yeah,
Cool.
pretty sweet.
But they're definitely not white anymore. Let's put it that way. Yep. So
All
the
right.
chemical reaction did take place.
Very cool. Ladies and gentlemen,
That was our maybe try this at home segment for this week.
that's how you do science.
I think I need another beer. And then you pour it in there to dilute it.
Yeah, this is just water, just to kill that reaction.
Kill it.
Mm-hmm.
Make sure there's no more fumes coming up to us.
Exactly.
I could take off my my goggles.
Yep. Okay.
Yeah. All right.
All right.